Okay, welcome along to this piece on set notation. So set notation is pretty much just an understanding of symbols. Okay, we know that we have symbols in maths in terms of numbers, instructional symbols like operations, plus, minus, times, divide, all symbols. And this is not a lot of difference. So once you know what the symbol means, it's pretty straightforward to work out. So let's kick off with this green question over here. Find my, there we go. Find my cursor. So here we've got A will after, so it says choose a diagram that matches each of these sets. I'll label the diagrams as A, B, C, and D. Choose the diagram that matches each of these sets. So A union B is anything that's A and in the union of B. Sorry, anything that's A or B. So I like to think of it as anything that's A or B. So, sorry, if I look at these three, I hopefully look at this top right one and go that right. That shows me everything that's in A or B. So we'll say it's B for that one. Then this one, that little comma at the top there, tells me that I'm looking for everything that's not in A. Okay, when I have a scan across, I go, right, that has everything that's highlighted is everything that's not in A. So it includes part of B and the universal space on the outside, but none of A is highlighted. A there. Then part C, that one there, I like to think of that. It looks like an A little bit to me. So I say that's, and it means and, so it's everything that's in A and B. Okay, so it must be common to both. I'll look over here, and that one there has the middle portion highlighted. So I say that one is going to be my D value there. Then lastly, we've got B only. Okay. And out of the four, we've only got one left, but we can also see we've got that crescent shaped along there. And that is things that are in B only. Okay. So that would be our diagram C. Next up, we're going to use the two-way table to state the following. So anytime we have the N, that's the number or pieces. So how many items are in A and B? All right, so we know that A is in both of them. So I look down here and say, well, that is that part right there. So there are 2 items in A and B. So that N is like a count. Number that are in B. Okay, the number that are in B is our 10 over here. Okay, that includes all of the things in B, not just the things that are solely in B. So they can be common to A and B. Then the number in A, again, pretty easy one. Once you've done B, that's that one down there. And all of the things that aren't in A. Okay, and in a two-way table, they're highlighted here. So that one there is everything that's not in A. So some of them are common to B, some of them are in neither A nor B. So we have 9 there. And lastly, over the right-hand side, let's change colour just for the sake of it. A is a set of odd numbers. Sorry, we've got a number is chosen from a set of positive integers between 1 and 8. So here are our numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we're told that A is a set of odd numbers and B is a set of prime numbers. So we've got A is the odd numbers, so 1, 3, 5, and 7. B is a set of prime numbers, those numbers that can only be divided by 1 in itself. And they are 2, 3, 4, oops, not 4, what am I saying there? 2, 3, 5, and 7. All right, 2 being our only prime number because it can be divisible by 1 in itself. Okay, first it asks us to draw a Venn diagram of this situation. So I'll take up this bit of space here. And let's go with green pen. Okay, and I'm going to label those as A and B. Okay, so A was my odd numbers, B is my primes, but first I have to consider what's in both because I want to put those in the middle section first. So in both is 3, 5, and 7. 3, 5, 7 are in both. That means that A only has the number 1 in it, B has the number 2, and we are missing 4, 6, and 8, and they are in our universal space on the outside. Alrighty, now we've done that, we want to list the sets of those who are in A and B. Okay, so that's the common ground between both of them, and that's 3, 5, and 7. Now remember, it's only asking us to list the sets. We're not finding the probability of anything. The union, so that would be 1, 2, I'll list them from biggest to smallest, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so that's in everything that's in both A and B. And lastly, everything that's not in A. So everything that's not in A is 2, 4, 6, and 8. That's all our even numbers. Next, find the number of elements in A. So the number of elements in A is 4. Okay, because that's, I like that. So I go through. So that's that part and those there. Then we're asked the probability of drawing something out of that. So that's going to be 4 over 8, which is the same as a half. And then the probability of something being in A and B is 3 out of 8, and that can't be simplified. Alrighty, so that's a quick run through set notation. Like I said, once you know the symbols, it's the only thing you've got to do is apply them. Hope that helped. Short one with a bit of luck, and like, subscribe, comment if you've got anything you'd like to add to it. See you next time, gang.